when I bought the car, the engine that was in it was not the original engine. It was a 307. I took that out, bought a 327 for $100, but I never got it installed in the car before I put the car in storage. I took the engine with me through 4 moves, and it sat under my workbench for the last 18 years. When I got the Camaro home, I started thinking about this engine and what it would take to rebuild it. So I found a good engine builder who told me the wait list was about a year. I took it to him anyhow just to have him clean it and see if it could be rebuilt. He said it was in great condition and that he could have it done in a couple weeks. Told him to get started, but that created a new problem. Where do I put this engine when I get it home? Got very limited space. So I decided it was time to do the subframe. I pulled the subframe out, left the body of the car up on jack stands, and checked it over completely. Wasn't in bad condition, but the body mount holes had rusted out, so they needed to be repaired first. I bought a repair kit specific to these, and then I welded in the new plates that support the body bushing. I stripped the entire subframe, top and bottom, cleaned it up, and repainted it a satin black. I decided while it was apart, it was time to fix the old drum brakes by removing them and replacing them with new discs that included everything from the spindles, backing plates, calipers, rotors. Once I got the entire subframe together, it was just a matter of time waiting for the engine to get back. When the engine came back, bolted a turbo 350 transmission, and we lowered it down onto the subframe. Slid the subframe back under the car and aligned it to the body mounts. I added some accessories like the Patriot exhaust headers, the Petronix Igniter 3, the Tough Stuff 100 amp alternator, decided to mock up the car, so I put on the inner wheel wells, the radiator support, and the new radiator I bought. And that's where the engine sits now, because it was time to do quarter panel and roof repairs. And that's a long story for another day.